Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we explore the wonders of world, city life, and creativity. Today, we have something truly extraordinary to talk about: teamLab and their mesmerizing digital art installations at teamLab Planets Tokyo. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of teamLab, exploring the magic they create at this incredible museum. Before we delve into teamLab Planets Tokyo, let's understand what teamLab is all about. teamLab is a groundbreaking Japanese art collective that blends art, science, technology, and creativity to create immersive and interactive experiences. This museum is not just a place to view art, it's a space where art comes to life and surrounds you. They allow you to experience bare feet throughout your entire journey. The exhibits here are not static, they're dynamic, responding to your every move. Imagine walking through a room where the floor beneath you ripples like water as you step, or where vibrant flowers bloom and wither in response to your touch. This is the magic of teamLab Planets Tokyo. One of the highlights is the Floating in the Falling Universe of Flowers exhibit, where you find yourself surrounded by an endless shower of flowers, creating a surreal experience that blurs the line between reality and imagination. teamLab's art installations are more than just visually stunning. They provoke emotions and challenge our perceptions of the world. The seamless integration of technology and art in their exhibits not only amazes but also inspires. It encourages us to think about the potential of human creativity and the limitless possibilities when art and technology collaborate. It's not just me who's blown away by teamLab Planets Tokyo. Visitors from around the world have shared their awe-inspiring experiences. Many have described it as a journey into another world, a dreamlike adventure that leaves a lasting impression. The joy, wonder, and amazement on their faces speak volumes about the impact of teamLab's art. teamLab's vision extends beyond these installations. I recommend you buy your tickets online 2 weeks in advance. It may be more comfortable to visit early and on weekdays. The crowd can prevent you from surrendering yourself to the ambience. They are pioneering new ways for humans to interact with technology and each other. Their art challenges the conventional boundaries of creativity, making us rethink what art can be in the digital age. Thank you for joining me on this incredible adventure through teamLab Planets Tokyo. If you ever find yourself in Tokyo, make sure to visit this magical place and experience the future of art for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations of travel route, city life, and creativity. Until next time, stay inspired. As a bonus, don't leave without trying vegan ramen.